Here we come to the other elevator located in the other building at Fort Bend Community Church in Missouri City, Texas. The one with the Otis Series 1 was building phase 2. This is building phase 3. Building phase 1 does not have an elevator. Anyway, this is an Otis with newer Series 2 from 2013. Technically installed in 2012, but records said 2013 because this is when the building opened. Anyways, let's ride. Here we go. They also fixed up the door operator as well. 2. One. I'll go for one more ride. This elevator is almost 10 years old, soon to be. Still runs perfectly good as ever. Anyways, we're gonna end the video down at 1. Unfortunately, I don't think the down lantern works. It just lit up a little bit. Sorry, I just missed it. It lit up for a quick second. I just saw it in person. If you didn't know, it did light up, but it was too late for me to capture on camera. Anyways, I didn't film this. The reason I didn't film this elevator sooner is because this building is always very packed every Sunday mornings, and also there's like kids screaming, so it was really hard for me to get a full silent listen to the motor both going up and back down. But today it was a lot quieter because it's in the afternoon. So there it goes, and that's it.